Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2016 Ram 2500 SLT, equipped with a luxury package. On the front end of the vehicle we have our 3-in protective film, as well as our aftermarket HID headlights. Under the hood sits a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine that produces 370 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 20-inch aluminum wheels and heated power folding tow mirrors. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors, as well as our dampened tailgate and our trailer hitch receiver. This Ram has a towing capacity up to 17,050 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have our automatic headlight controls. This Ram is equipped with heated front seats with a power adjustable driver's seat, as well as a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. Also equipped is an Alpine sound system and a touchscreen display that shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for comfort are dual zone climate controls, and on the vehicle's key fob we have our remote start and entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.